sharing with you dears a moment of happiness. Hello dears, welcome to Beauty with a Heart. I'm Leng, also known as Lulu. Today actually something happened to me which affected my mood very much. But luckily I received this that helps to add just a short-term happiness to me right now, and I'd like to share with you. So I do not know what you will get out of this video. Maybe just to accompany me. Thank you so much. So if you are keen and interested to find out what I get from BH Cosmetics, which this time around I didn't really get that much things with them, then stay tuned. So let's get started. I've already opened the box, so let's see what's inside. Actually, I already know what's inside. I'll just grab whatever my hands grab. So I think I didn't order this. Yeah, maybe this is the free gift. This is BH Cosmetics, a 4-piece eyeshadow eye brushes. There is this very small detail shading brush, very small pointed crease brush, if you can see, a flat shader brush, and a blending brush. Remember dears, when you receive a new brush, wash it first before you use. Yeah, it reminded me. If you haven't watched my videos about using or Morphe brushes, please watch it. It's a very weird experience. And the latest reply from them is, they gave me a very good advice, that is to wash my brush before I use them. I seriously have a lot of questions about them, but never mind, this is BH and I always have good experience with BH brushes. So this is a free gift. Okay, there is the receipt over here, and this is the introduction card to Take Me Back to Brazil Real Edition. I think, yeah, I got this in this box, so let's see how later. And this is a Caravan of Colors card launching July 12th, which is already over. This is the Oasis. Is it Oasis? BH Oasis palette. Maybe I'll get it. Don't know when, but maybe. And all this, I'm stocking up this. This is the eye and lip makeup remover. I stock up because I like it. It doesn't give me any burnt feeling, so I bought 6 of them since they're having discount right now. If I didn't remember wrongly, I think I bought it at 4 USD maybe. Yeah. Perfect time to stock up. And then this is the Diamond Dazzler. It's a loose glitter. Oops, the box is torn. This is in the color Radiant Silk. Let me just open it and check how is the diamond grades. Actually, I don't really like this kind of loose powder eyeshadow or blusher or highlighter because you'll create a mess. And the cap is in this way, something is protruding out in the central, and I cannot just pour it here. Or maybe I'll just do it. Okay. It feels very smooth. Also, this is the shimmers. I guess with this color, I can also use it as a highlight. Very glowy. Oh. I think I'll use it as a highlighter instead of loose eyeshadow. Next. Okay, this is the base booster for the glitter and shadow glue. Seriously, I haven't used a glitter glue before, so I'm wondering how it will be. It's white. Weird, yeah? Review a glitter glue. There's no scent, not much scent. It doesn't feel like a glue. No, now it feels like a glue. It feels tacky now. What am I doing? Then I think all these are the eyeshadow palettes. First, this is the Take Me Back to Brazil. I think originally there is a Take Me to Brazil, so this is the second version, Take Me Back to Brazil. See, I'm confused. I thought it should be a much bigger palette, but anyways, yeah. Okay, it's much smaller than I expected. Because whenever I watch the video review about this, I thought this is a super huge palette, but not exactly. Very, very colorful. I won't be doing swatching, so yeah, the colors brightens me up. There are mattes and shimmers. Then now they have this real edition. I think this is to complement this. Let me open up and see. Okay, there's glitters over here and here. I think these two are the highlighter. From the look of it, I think it's exactly the same color, except that this new version has, I think it's all shimmers, all shimmery eyeshadow formula over here. Okay, let me have some time to play around with it, and then I will update you dears whether these two palettes are worth buying. Anyway, at this very moment, BH Cosmetics is having a huge sales, or 35% sales. So yeah, anything that you like, you might like to take a look. Okay, anyways, this is the Aurora Lights. I think it's their latest 18 color big eyeshadow. Actually, it has been out for a while. It's just that I've been delaying to buy it. Very reddish, purplish, pinkish color. I think I got almost all of their big eyeshadow formula, and their formula is really good, and my hair is very messy. Okay, this is the last thing I've got for myself. Another eyeshadow palette, all colorful eyeshadow palette. Just in time to brighten up my day. This is the Foil Eyes 28 color eyeshadow palette. It's on discount when I bought it. Okay, the colors on the screen looks much more vibrant than in real life. But let me play around with it, then I'll update you this. Yeah, I think last month, August, I bought a lot of eyeshadow palettes, and if I haven't watched my August eyeshadow palettes haul, please watch it. I will link it somewhere here, but actually I also haven't edited that video yet. Okay, that's all for the sharing today. Hope you dears like these random videos, and hopefully, yeah, I do not know why you will watch this video. There's no product review, there's no swatching. But anyways, thanks so much for your companionship. Oh yes, talking about it, maybe I should do a promotion here right now. Yes, I have a BH Cosmetic affiliate link. I'll link it in the description box. So if you dears happen to like any products from BH Cosmetic and like to get from their website, please use my link. Yeah, if you like to support me. Otherwise, just do the normal way as you always do the shopping. So yep, I will get a 8% I think for every sales, for every purchase. Yes, and so far I haven't earned any money yet. So anyway, yeah. Anyways, I hope sometimes when you are down, you can do a bit of retail therapy. It may not provide you the internal and the inner peacefulness and happiness, but at least for this very moment, it brightens up your day and my day. Okay, last but not least, here's an inner beauty tip for us to be more beautiful and more wise. Be it good or bad, all these will pass. And yes, the only thing that is permanent in this life is impermanence. Everything just keep changing. So we may be happy now or sad now. The next moment we will change. There will be a change. So what we can do now is just to treasure the moment. And yes, no matter how down we are, at least we can breathe normally. We have a shelter, a roof above our head, not under, above. And we can still walk and move freely. So this is a simple bliss, simple blessing that we often overlook. So if you happen to have a down moment, just think of this simple bliss. Okay, I think I cannot talk now. Alright, hope you dears will enjoy this video. If you like to, just subscribe. Yes, thank you so much for watching. May you dears have a peaceful, blissful and joyful week ahead. See you next time. Bye!